Hey everybody, Randall here. Those of you on my Facebook page know that I bought a sandblasting cabinet to try to do this motorcycle wheel that I just bought. I want to put a spoke wheel on the back of my Yamaha, but although the blasting cabinet does a really good job of clearing off corrosion, it also does a really good job of dulling the metals. So I've come up with this idea, and what this is the largest tumbler that I can get, and the reservoir for the tumbling medium just comes off with a one solid bolt through the center. So I drilled a hole through this tub, put plywood on both sides. So now I'm going to set this wheel down in here. Got a bushing here that goes in the center of that wheel to hold it right in the center of the tub. We'll secure this with this wing nut. I'm going to see what happens. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but in theory it should. If I get this cinched down tight enough. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I can leave the top of this open. I won't have to put a lid on it. This tub did not come with a lid. I got it at Home Depot. Okay, put that in, and now I've got some 80 grit walnut tumbling media here. We'll put in enough to cover the wheel. It's basically looks like the whole darn bag, so here we go. Turn this contraption on and see what happens. Ooh. My gosh, I think this is going to work. It is definitely stirring up, and I'm getting quite a bit of agitation here. I need more tumbling media though, and it's not overly loud. Well, that's cool. So anyways, I'll throw some more media in this. I have another batch that I can throw in there on top of. It's a little finer, but mix the two together. But you know, this is really stirring this media up, so let her set in there overnight and come back in the morning and see what it looks like. Stay tuned.